Welcome to China Connect. We're your laugh-out-loud passport to China's best. Explore and let's discover China now, with a giggle. Today, we're about to dive into Shanghai's vibrant nightlife, and explore the incredible process of revitalizing its old, historical buildings. So sit back, buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure. In the era of rapid urban development, Shanghai's bustling night scene stands as a testament to the city's successful blend of traditional charm with modern innovation. The city has masterfully revitalized its old buildings and integrated them into its thriving night economy. As the lights come on, the city's historical landmarks come alive, casting a warm glow over the bustling streets and inviting locals and tourists alike to immerse themselves in the vibrant night in Shanghai. One such rejuvenated landmark is the 400-year-old Yuyuan, a place steeped in history and culture. Yuyuan, which was initially a private garden, was built over 2 decades during the Jiaqing period of the Ming dynasty. Pan Yunduan, a local official from Shanghai, painstakingly transformed several acres of vegetable fields into a gorgeous garden replete with rockeries, ponds, and bamboo arts. The garden, which was designed to please his elderly father, eventually earned the title of Crown of the Gardens in Southeast. Despite numerous wars and incidents that threatened its existence, Yuyuan has remained resilient. Thanks to extensive repairs in the 1950s, the garden has regained its past glory. The State Council recognized its cultural importance and listed it as a National Key Cultural Relics Protection Unit in 1982. Since then, Yuyuan has become an essential destination for cultural tourism and festival celebrations in Shanghai. During Shanghai's urban renewal, Yuyuan's revitalization adopted a fully market-oriented operation model. The operator introduced the concept of Grand Yuyuan, operating the revitalization of Yuyuan and the surrounding areas. They set the top-level strategy of Oriental lifestyle aesthetics, catering to the revival of Chinese fashion and consumption upgrading. From introducing IPs and embracing Chinese fashion, the operator promoted brand rejuvenation and renovation to transform the static Jiangnan Garden into an urban cultural landmark that people can get close to and play in, rather than just a traditional scenic spot. When Taipei Mayor Chang Wanan arrived, he found Yuyuan to be a place of celebration and joy. The garden was holding a cool summer-themed summer garden tour for the solar term beginning of autumn. Tourists were soaking in the visual feast of the summer-limited lantern decorations on the Nine-Turning Bridge, the national-style market, viewing the bustling market in Yuyuan, and participating in various activities like checking in summer spots in the garden. Lantern art, a traditional feature of Yuyuan, was also put to good use. The Yuyuan Chinese New Year Folk Art Lantern Show has become a national intangible cultural heritage item. To allow citizens and tourists to appreciate the beauty of lanterns and experience night tours of Yuyuan beyond the Spring Festival, the lantern culture of Yuyuan is used to connect Yuyuan's traditional festivals and celebration scenes throughout the year, creating a unique cultural experience space. Previously, Yuyuan had cooperated with many popular IPs and held projects suitable for all ages such as the King Glory Lantern Festival and Pictures of Jiangnan. For the 2023 Spring Festival, the Mysterious Journey in Yuyuan Lantern Show was launched. It was based on the classic of Mountains and Seas, and it attracted over 4 million people to view the offline lanterns throughout the Year of the Rabbit. The event went viral on the internet, starting from China. With a communication volume of over 3.8 billion, the garden operator has plans to make full use of new media and other technical platforms to build a smart business circle and Yuyuan metaverse. They also plan to cooperate with various IPs to deeply explore and creatively interpret traditional Chinese cultural solar terms, seasons, myths, and more. In February 2019, Yuyuan introduced a cultural and creative store called Artisans Under the Ginkgo Tree. The store's modern decoration and layout contrast with its traditional culture, which includes wheat straw painting, suzhou embroidery, inside bottle painting, and more. Handicraft artists are also invited to create on-site and display works, allowing citizens and tourists to experience hands-on crafts. This was also one of Chang Wanan's experience spots during his visit, walking into the store, one can see a dazzling array of cultural and creative goods, including sachets, embroidery, handmade bags, snuff bottles, and more. Zhuang Yingkang, an inside bottle painting artisan working in the store, spoke about the importance of preserving these traditional skills. He expressed his hope that by showcasing his art at the store, the traditional art he loves can be understood and appreciated by more people. In addition to the cultural and creative store, there are many small shops or booths hosted by traditional artists, offering experiences like paper cutting, silverware making, Chinese knots, copper engraving, soft clay sculptures, shadow puppets, and more. The operator hopes that by gathering these craftsmen, visitors can personally experience the depth of time and Chinese traditional culture. The Night in Shanghai program represents the city's commitment to its vibrant night economy, with Yuyuan serving as a shining example. The program has successfully revitalized the city's historic buildings, providing locals and tourists with unique experiences that seamlessly blend tradition and modernity. By introducing new concepts and inviting artisans to showcase their crafts, Yuyuan has evolved into a dynamic cultural landmark that is far more than just a traditional scenic spot. The success of this revitalization effort in Yuyuan can be used as a blueprint for other cities looking to reinvigorate their historic sites and boost their night economy. By embracing the heritage of these sites while also catering to modern tastes and trends, cities can create vibrant and engaging spaces that celebrate their culture and history. In conclusion, Shanghai's success story with Yuyuan is a testament to how cities can use their historic sites to enhance their night economies and provide unique experiences for locals and tourists alike. It's a shining example of how a city can pay homage to its past while also paving the way for a vibrant and exciting future. Thanks for exploring China with us. Hit like, comment, and share for laughs. Subscribe and drop your thoughts below. Let's keep showcasing this amazing nation. See you in the next funny video.